Hello everyone, in this video we are going to show you how to get back into the United States via the SENTRI Lane, which is a special lane if you have a global entry and or SENTRI card and your vehicle is registered. We'll show you first the easy way to get there, and then we'll show you another way if the traffic is blocked up. So come along for this easy adventure. For this instruction, we are going to assume that you have just come from either Ensenada or Rosarito down the toll road. So we're going to start with the toll road as if you were coming back into Tijuana from that toll road.
And we're back onto the regular bumpy roads here, and we're coming up to the border again, and then the plan is to go to the global entry lanes. That brown wall right there, that's the US border. But we got to get over to the actual crossing area. We are here at the Centro Cultural. There's the big round building. If you go to the right here, you'll get to the regular lane. But we're gonna make a U-turn on this and go over the bridge. Okay, we've gone around the roundabout, and we're going to go over on that bridge over there to the left. Okay, keep on going straight here until we get to Avenida Padre Quino, which is the second roundabout. So we're going to go around this first one.
Effectively go straight,
and then get to the next roundabout.
Global entry SENTRI Lane ahead.
Second roundabout, you're gonna go left. Make an effective left at this roundabout.
The opposite direction of the way the guy is pointing.
Yes, the opposite way the guy is pointing. But we're gonna go left around this one.
Bet you the car we're following has American plates in front of us.
Yep.
They might also be going to the ready lane.
Now when you're in here, stay to the left. Well, to the left 2 lanes, which is the SENTRI Lane, and eventually we're going to go up into the left. But stay here in the 2 left lanes.
Sometimes they have the traffic backed up at Padre Quino and you can't take a left. If that happens to you, take a right at Padre Quino and go all the way down past the hospital, and then take this roundabout so that you can get back onto Padre Quino and back into the SENTRI Lane.
Go to the far left one. Just stay right here, and we'll get up onto the ramp.
Global entry SENTRI Lane.
Now you are in the SENTRI Lane, so you don't really have a choice at this point anymore. And you'll go up the ramp, and here's the line for the SENTRI Lane, which is actually pretty backed up right now. Yep. And we're good. SENTRI Lane, going pretty fast.
We've been in the lane for 1 whole minute, and we can already see the front of it.
Yeah. So we're doing pretty good.
Yeah.
At this time, it's a good time to get out your global entry cards.